Hi, first grade leaders. It's me, Mrs. Elkins. I hope your parents and you are able to watch this video together. Mrs. Dip made this video for her kindergarten class, teaching them how to use Zoom and still take the iready diagnostic. Kindergartners have begun doing this today, and your students will begin doing this as well on Wednesday. Let's go ahead and watch her film together and learn how to do this. Make sure you're paying attention and pause the film to take notes and try it as you go if you need to.
We must stress how important it is that your children try to complete this assessment on their own independently. The assessment was designed to allow children to correctly answer 50% of the questions. The other 50%, children will not understand or know the answers to. Now, when we do this in school, they will holler and ask for teacher help. We will encourage them to try their best, and we remind them that the teachers cannot help them because we want an accurate result. We want them to answer the questions on their own. The way that the program works is like this. The questions and the quizzes that your children will take after the diagnostic are tailored to their answers. If they answer a question correctly, they will get a more challenging question number two. So the more questions they answer, the more challenging the following questions and quizzes will be. That is why we want them to answer questions to their ability so that the following lessons and quizzes are tailored to them. Okay, so with that being said, please remember, do not help your children. Do not let a sibling help your children, and remind them that it's okay to get some wrong, that it was intentional, that they will not know all of the answers.
Okay, let's go over that again about what Mrs. Dip just said. It's so crucial that you do not help them. Just tell them to do their best. Otherwise, it will give them too high of a score and the lessons will be too hard for them every day. This will not help them learn. It will be a waste of their time. This is a test for first graders to see what they know and they don't know. So make sure it is your child, your first grader, taking this test. Do not help them no matter how much they ask you. Just say, do your best, sweetie. You're not supposed to know that all. If they knew it all, wouldn't they just be in second grade and not be here in first grade? We need to know what to teach them. Let's go ahead and get back to Mrs. Dip.
Now, we will take the assessment in small chunks, which means that we will not be done in a couple of days. It'll take us maybe 2 weeks. We have to take the reading one first, and then when we're all done with the reading, we will take the math one. Okay, so here I'm going to start to show you. I'm going to move my screen a little bit right now and show you my Zoom screen. Once I'm on that Zoom screen, on the bottom, I want to click on my Google Chrome. When I click on my Google Chrome, it will allow me to type in my SSO. So you will up here, you will type in your child's SSO. You can refer back to our cheat sheet that we provided you in the pencil box. Once you are in SSO, you will be able to see this screen here. Now I'm going to show you my screen. You will see this screen. To maneuver that, you just put your mouse on the top. You will have your child click onto the iready icon. Okay, so before I move on, let me do that one more time. I'm on my Zoom right here. In order to get into SSO, I go to my Chrome, click onto Chrome, type in my SSO and password and username. I will see my child's SSO portal. Click on iready. Give it a moment. You'll see the screen, reading or math. We're doing reading first. Diagnostic.
Start diagnostic.
We will
Start
begin
diagnostic.
together, but
Start diagnostic.
once we click on the start diagnostic, we have 10 days to finish it. Okay, so once again, you go to your SSO, click on the iready icon, click on reading, and then start diagnostic. I hope this video helps. If you have questions or you're still having a difficult time, please email us, reach out to us, and we will try our very best to support you.
So, as you can see, this video showed you clearly how to log in while your Zoom is on. Notice right here where my cursor is, you see the blue Zoom camera. When we're done, we'll be able to re-click on that blue camera and go right back to our Zoom meeting. The Zoom never ends that way. That way I can still see your child and be there to help if need be, and to make sure that they are taking the test on their own, not rushing. Remember, we're not starting this now. You are just helping your child, making sure you can do this. And then tomorrow, on Wednesday, we will begin this in class. If you can spend the first 10 minutes with your child, 15 minutes, we will get started to log in to begin this test while you are there to help your child, just for this week in the morning till they get used to it. Thank you so much, parent leaders. It's always a pleasure to synergize with you and make this successful for our children. Bye now.